Welcome to my channel. We look for the fa'il, subject, and the maf'ul bih, object, in a verbal sentence. جملة فعلية. The verbal sentence is a sentence that begins with a verb. It means the verb will precede the subject and the object in the sentence. In other words, the verb will come before the object and the subject. An example, the sentence below begins with the verb akala. 8. Akala al-waladu al-khubza. The boy ate the bread. The subject, al-fa'il, is the person or thing doing something, and the object, the maf'ul bih, is having something done to it. The subject of the verbal sentence is marfu'ah. It means this noun carries dhamma in its last letter. The object of the verbal sentence is mansoob. It means this noun carries fatha in its last letter. An example, akala al-waladu al-khubza. The boy ate the bread. The word the boy, al-waladu, subject, carries dhamma, and the word the bread, al-khubza, the object, carries fatha. Therefore, the dhamma is for the last letter of the subject, and the fatha is for the last letter of the object. This dhamma and fatha will inform us about the job of the noun in the verbal sentence. Example, akala al-waladu al-khubza. The boy ate the bread. If we changed the symbol of dhamma and fatha, meaning if we swap them, the meaning of the sentence would change drastically. Akala al-walad al-khubzu. The bread ate the boy, which would make no sense. The subject doesn't always come after the verb. Then we cannot guess all the time who is the subject by looking to the noun that comes after the verb. All the time we need to look for the noun who finishes with dhamma to identify the subject. Example, akala al-khubza al-waladu. The boy ate the bread. In this example, the subject does not come directly after the verb, but it is easily identifiable because of its dhamma. Okay, so here are 3 practice sentences. First example, daraba ar-rajulu al-kurata. The man hit the ball. Daraba is the verb. Ar-rajulu is the subject because it ends in a dhamma. And al-kurata is the object because it ends in a fatha. Second example, Sami'a al-shaykh al-adhana. The old man listened to the adhan. Sami'a is the verb. The shaykh is the subject because it ends in a dhamma. And al-adhana is the object because it ends in a fatha. Shariba al-talibu al-haliba. The student drank the milk. Shariba is the verb. Al-talibu is the subject because it ends in a dhamma, and al-haliba is the object because it ends in a fatha. Alright, so now for a fun pop-up quiz. Pause the video and translate the following sentences. The answers will be provided in the next slide. Alright, so here are the answers. Take your time to read them. I hope you got all the answers correct.